Sub-MOA accuracy used to mean a custom rifle, or a check with 4 zeros on it. That belief just got outdated. Manufacturers spent years hiding just how good factory tolerances have gotten, and the results are sitting on gun store shelves right now for less than $1,000. The rifle that claims the top spot on this list ships with a documented 3-shot accuracy guarantee, straight out of the box, no gunsmith required. Let's get into it. Rank 7 belongs to the Winchester XPR SR. This rifle earns its spot through one feature most budget rifles skip entirely: a factory-threaded barrel built specifically for suppressor use. Winchester built the XPR line to modernize the company's entry-level bolt action, moving away from older designs that leaned on complexity instead of precision. The SR designation stands for Suppressor Ready, a direct response to the growing number of states legalizing suppressed hunting. Winchester positioned this rifle for hunters who wanted that capability without paying for a custom barrel job. Here is what most people miss about this rifle. The bolt runs on a 3-lug design coated in nickel Teflon, not for looks, but to reduce the friction that causes gritty cycling in cheaper actions. That coating lets the bolt glide through the receiver with almost no lubrication needed in the field. This rifle weighs 6.9 pounds, carries a free-floating barrel, and chambers .308 Winchester with a factory accuracy rating of 1.1 MOA. Compare that to the Ruger American Gen 2, which comes in nearly half a pound lighter at 6.4 pounds. The MOA trigger system runs on a 2-to-1 leverage ratio, eliminating almost all pre-travel before the break. The magazine holds only 3 rounds in standard chamberings, a real limitation if you hunt terrain where a fast follow-up shot matters. That capacity rarely hurts a still hunter working from a blind, but it becomes a problem in fast-moving field situations. This rifle suits the hunter who values suppressor readiness over magazine capacity. Up next, a rifle that swaps that Teflon-coated bolt for an action imported straight from Japan. Rank 6 is the Weatherby Vanguard Obsidian, a rifle built around an action most hunters do not realize comes from overseas. Weatherby paired its American design philosophy with the Howa M1500 action, manufactured in Japan and known for withstanding heavy use without loosening tolerances. Howa actions have powered budget and mid-tier rifles for law enforcement and civilian hunters alike for decades, giving this platform a proven track record long before Weatherby put its name on the stock. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything for this rifle. The 2-lug bolt uses a Sako-style extractor, borrowed from one of the most respected rifle manufacturers in the world. That extractor design grips the case rim with more surface contact than a standard claw extractor, reducing the chance of a failed ejection under pressure. This rifle weighs 7.5 pounds, features a cold hammer-forged barrel with a 1/2-inch by 28 thread pattern, and carries a factory accuracy guarantee under 0.99 inches at 100 yards. Compare that to the Winchester XPR SR, which needs a full inch more group size to match that same guarantee. The 2-stage match trigger breaks with a clean, predictable wall that eliminates flinch-driven accidental discharges. The stock offers no adjustment for length of pull, a real drawback for hunters who need to fit multiple shooters to one rifle. That rigidity matters less for a single dedicated owner, but it becomes a real issue in a household rifle passed between family members. This rifle suits the hunter who wants proven mechanical reliability over customization options. Up next, a rifle that trades that fixed stock for a barrel harmonics trick borrowed from a completely different manufacturer. Rank 5 is the CVA Cascade XT, a rifle that borrows its most important component from a manufacturer most shooters would not expect. CVA built the Cascade line to compete directly with established American rifle makers, and the XT variant pushes that ambition further by targeting long-range accuracy specifically. This rifle exists because CVA's sister company, Bergara, supplies the barrel, giving a budget label access to barrel quality, normally reserved for higher-priced rifles. Here is what most people miss about this rifle. The barrel uses a number 5 taper, a heavier profile than most hunting rifles in this price range. That extra mass is not about durability alone. It controls the harmonic vibration that happens the instant the bullet leaves the barrel, and less vibration means tighter, more repeatable groups. This rifle weighs 7 pounds, carries a radial muzzle brake that cuts felt recoil by over 30%, and comes chambered in 7mm PRC with a factory accuracy guarantee under 1 MOA. Compare that to the Weatherby Vanguard Obsidian, which achieves a tighter guarantee, but without CVA's 14-day return policy backing it up. The single-stage trigger adjusts from 2 to 4 pounds and breaks with almost no hesitation. The trigger guard and floor plate are made from composite plastic, a real step down in feel compared to the metal components on pricier rifles. That plastic construction rarely affects function, but it does make the rifle feel less substantial in hand than its price tag might suggest. This rifle suits the hunter, chasing long-range performance on a tight budget. Up next, a rifle solves a headspace problem most shooters have never even heard of. Rank 4 is the Savage 110 Trail Hunter Lite, a rifle that fixes a mechanical problem most manufacturers never bother addressing. Savage built the 110 action back in the 1950s, and it remains one of the longest-running rifle platforms in American history. The Trail Hunter Lite variant modernizes that legacy with a lightweight synthetic build, aimed squarely at hunters who spend entire days on foot, chasing game through rough terrain. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything for this rifle. Savage uses a floating bolt head, a design that lets the bolt face self-align with the cartridge base the instant the action closes. That self-alignment removes the small manufacturing tolerances that cause inconsistent chamber pressure in fixed bolt head rifles, and tighter pressure consistency means tighter groups downrange. This rifle weighs 7 pounds and chambers .308 Winchester with a factory accuracy average of 0.86 MOA across 5 shot groups. Compare that to the CVA Cascade XT, which needs a heavier barrel profile to reach a similar number. The AccuTrigger adjusts from 1.5 to 6 pounds and includes a blade safety that prevents the trigger from breaking under jarring impact. The forend runs slightly soft under heavy rest pressure, a real issue for hunters shooting off a bipod or sandbag at longer distances. That softness rarely matters for a standing or kneeling shot, but it becomes noticeable the moment the rifle is locked down tight on a hard surface. This rifle suits the hunter who wants field-adjustable fit without tools. Up next, a rifle borrows its entire aftermarket ecosystem from the single most modified rifle platform in the country. Rank 3 is the Bergara B14 Ridge, a rifle that gives hunters access to one of the largest aftermarket ecosystems in the industry. Bergara built the B14 line on Remington 700 architecture, a design that has armed American hunters and snipers alike since the 1960s. That shared footprint was not an accident. Bergara wanted a rifle that could accept the same stocks, triggers, and mounts that decades of Remington 700 owners had already invested in. Here is what most people miss about this rifle. The bolt nose uses a con design, machined at an angle instead of a flat face. That angle guides the cartridge into the chamber smoothly, even when the rifle gets shouldered at an awkward tilt. A real advantage when a shot presents itself fast and the rifle is not perfectly level. This rifle weighs 7.5 pounds, carries a chrome moly barrel threaded 5/8 by 24, and chambers 6.5 Creedmoor with a factory accuracy range between 0.72 and 0.85 MOA. Compare that to the Savage 110 Trail Hunter Lite, which needs nearly a full extra pound saved to compete on portability. The trigger comes tuned to a Remington 700 pattern, giving owners a direct swap path to aftermarket options. This rifle carries real weight for a long day of walking terrain. a trade-off that matters most on backcountry hunts, covering several miles on foot. That weight becomes far less relevant for a hunter working from a stand or a truck-based setup. This rifle suits the hunter who prioritizes upgrade potential over portability. Up next, a rifle strips away that heavier barrel in exchange for one of the most refined trigger systems under $1,000. Rank 2 is the Mossberg Patriot LR Hunter, a rifle that proves accuracy and affordability are no longer mutually exclusive. Mossberg designed the Patriot LR Hunter as a hybrid, blending target rifle features into a hunting platform without pushing the price past $800. This rifle emerged from a broader industry shift toward rifles that could handle both a deer stand and a long-range steel match without needing two separate guns in the safe. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything for this rifle. Mossberg uses aluminum pillar bedding, a system that isolates the action from the stock at two precise points, instead of relying on the stock's full surface contact. That isolation keeps the barrel free-floating, regardless of humidity swings or stock flex, a detail that separates this rifle from cheaper synthetic stocked competitors. This rifle weighs 7 pounds, carries a spiral-fluted barrel threaded for a suppressor, and chambers 6.5 PRC with a tested accuracy under 1 inch at 100 yards. Compare that to the Bergara B14 Ridge, which needs a heavier standard profile barrel to reach a similar number. The LBA trigger adjusts from 2 to 7 pounds, giving hunters a wider tuning range than most rifles in this price class. The forend flexes slightly under firm grip pressure, a common trade-off on rifles built to keep weight and cost down. That flex rarely shows up on a stable rest, but it becomes noticeable during offhand shooting, when the support hand grips tight. This rifle suits the hunter, who wants sub-MOA performance without a four-figure price tag. Up next, the rifle that claims the smoothest bolt cycle in this entire lineup, a claim backed by engineering out of Finland. You have waited long enough. Here it is. Rank 1 is the Tikka T3X Lite, and this rifle earns the top spot through pure mechanical refinement. Sako engineers this rifle in Finland, a country with a manufacturing tradition built around cold hammer forging and razor-thin tolerances. Finnish rifle makers have supplied precision actions to military and civilian markets for over a century, and Tikka inherited that discipline when Sako brought the T3 platform to market. This rifle became the benchmark that other budget manufacturers now openly try to match. Here is what most people miss about this rifle. The bolt runs through the receiver with a tolerance gap so tight it produces almost zero mechanical play, yet somehow avoids the binding that tight tolerances usually cause. Sako achieves that balance through a proprietary heat treatment process on the receiver, a detail rarely discussed outside of gunsmith circles. That process is the real reason this bolt feels smoother than every other rifle on this list. This rifle weighs 6.5 pounds, carries a cold hammer-forged barrel, and chambers 6.5 Creedmoor with a factory sub-MOA guarantee on 3-shot groups. Compare that to the Bergara B14 Ridge, which needs a full pound more weight to reach a similar accuracy standard. Compare it again to the Mossberg Patriot LR Hunter, which matches this rifle on accuracy, but cannot match its bolt cycle smoothness. The single-stage trigger breaks, with zero creep, a level of tuning most competitors need aftermarket parts to achieve. The standard model ships without a threaded barrel, a real limitation for hunters who already own a suppressor and expect it ready from the factory. That omission matters far less for hunters who never plan to run one, since the lighter weight comes directly from skipping that threaded section. This rifle suits the hunter who prioritizes bolt smoothness and trigger quality above every other spec on paper. Weighing a full pound less than the Bergara and matching the Mossberg on accuracy while beating it on refinement, this rifle earns the top spot through consistency, not one standout number. Every measurement on this rifle points toward the same conclusion. A company that spent decades perfecting one thing instead of chasing every feature at once. That focus is what separates a good budget rifle from the best one on the market this year. 7 rifles, one clear pattern. The gap between a budget rifle and a custom build has nearly disappeared, and factory tolerances are the reason why. Which trigger system on this list would you trust most in the field? The Tikka's single-stage brake or the Weatherby's 2-stage design? Drop your answer below. If you are considering a suppressor-ready build, always check your state's specific laws before purchasing an NFA item, since regulations vary significantly by location. Subscribe if you want firearms breakdowns built on verified specs and documented history, not marketing copy.